So the makeshift Reggae Girl squad, led by interim coach Xavier Gilbert, did what they needed to do against all the odds. After 2 games, they kept the girls in touch with the mission of qualifying for the inaugural CONCACAF Gold Cup. So we have some time before the next window. Time for the JFF and the estranged girls to mend fences. With all the monies owed now paid up, and the shocking realization that Jamaica could be missing out on the Gold Cup, we're shouting out to the JFF hierarchy especially. Cool the egos. And remember, the JFF will always have issues because of limited resources. So leave the egos at home. Reach out to the ladies. Establish a workable line of communication. Talk over your differences. Don't give orders to try and prove who is in charge. That will not work. Now, as for the girls, one thing I have to say to you. You're not representing the JFF. You're all representing Jamaica. So let's get our best players on the field. Make we go win them 2 little games there and qualify for the Gold Cup and live happily ever after. Yes. I wish.